Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Here's a beautiful look at Mount Shasta from the Mount Shasta Resort. We did see an isolated thunderstorm pop up in Siskiyou County last hour. That has fizzled out. That cell now moving through Klamath Falls, but not producing any rainfall. Another cell trying to get going in northern Lake County, but we have some very dry air in place east of the Cascades. So if something does fire up towards northern portions of Lake County, likely rain isn't going to be reaching the ground. We have a cold front that's passed through the region, and that's what triggered that isolated thunderstorm in Siskiyou County. Otherwise, providing some blustery winds throughout the region and some cooler temperatures today. Right now we're at 73 in Klamath Falls, 75 in Medford, 79 in Montague, and 70 in Grants Pass. That cooler air continues to fill on in. Temperature is still in the lower 80s in Lake County, but we will see a cooler day tomorrow for you folks. A cooler day tomorrow for folks east of the Cascades and Northern California especially. Pretty similar temperatures on par for tomorrow in the Rogue Valley. Here's a look at those winds, pretty gusty. We have been seeing some gusts as high as 30 miles per hour, including towards Lakeview. And that combination of those gusty west and northwest winds and some very low humidity values in the teens, especially in Lake County, that is a concern when it comes to fire danger. Critical fire weather conditions in place. We do have this red flag warning, which does include the Klamath Falls area until 8 o'clock tonight. That means fires could spread quickly if fires are triggered. So we want to avoid that. We should see some lighter winds tomorrow. We'll start off with some clouds in many of our west side valleys in southern Oregon back towards the coast. The marine layer pretty dominant for the start of tomorrow, but then we should see increased sunshine for much of the area as we go throughout the day. More of the mostly cloudy skies will persist north of the Umpqua Divide. And then Wednesday, possibly starting off with a few clouds in the morning, but then once again, all in all, some sunny conditions expected for Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures by Wednesday into Thursday will start to be rising again. But tomorrow will be another cool day along the coast. Temperatures topping out in the 60s, a mix of sun and clouds. I think we have a better chance of seeing a little bit of sunshine tomorrow afternoon. The marine layer not going to be as dominant as what we saw today. Up to 83 in Wairika tomorrow, 83 in Fort Jones. Cooler for the basin on your Tuesday. Breezy with highs generally in the 70s. The Cascades mostly sunny, up to 65 for Lake of the Woods, 55 at Crater Lake. And then for the Rogue Valley, temperatures topping out upper 70s to right around 80 in the afternoon, with skies turning rather sunny. Your hiking forecast for the next few days. Notice that warm up by Thursday, temperatures getting back up around average for this time of the year in our west side valleys, including in the Rogue Valley. So your 7-day forecast for the coast. Brighter days in general on especially Wednesday and Thursday. For Northern California, those temperatures will be rising once again, up around 90 for Thursday and Friday, even warmer by Saturday. For the Klamath Basin, mostly sunny, a lot of sunshine overall. We should stay dry through the rest of this work week into the weekend. Those temperatures getting back up into the 80s after a day in the 70s tomorrow. The Cascades and Siskiyous, overall some pretty pleasant weather through the rest of the week, but temperatures warming up by late week into the start of the weekend. And then for the Rogue Valley, mostly sunny overall. Those temperatures getting back up around average by Thursday, and then Saturday looks to be our warmest day with highs generally in the lower 90s. Brian?